Hello everyone, welcome to Tech BD. Today I will show you a powerful tool called Cleanfox that helps you clean your Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook inbox within minutes. And the best part is, you're also helping the environment while doing it. So if your inbox is full of spam and newsletters, stay tuned. Cleanfox is a free app that connects to your email and helps you quickly unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters, delete old emails, and clean up your mailbox in just a few clicks. It's simple to use, and it's available for both Android, iOS, and also works on the web. Why use it? To save space, to boost your email speed, and to help reduce digital pollution. Yes, email storage consumes energy. So why is Cleanfox a must-have? It saves you time. No need to go through every email. It saves you storage space in Gmail or Yahoo. It increases your productivity. No more clutter. And it's eco-friendly. Storing fewer emails means less energy used on servers. It's a small step, but when millions of people use apps like Cleanfox, we help the environment in a big way. So what are you waiting for? Try Cleanfox today and enjoy a cleaner inbox and a greener planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech BD for more helpful tech videos every week. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.